Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will be showing you how to navigate the email section of your CRM. Let's get started. First, navigate to the email section by clicking Channels in the main menu and then selecting Emails. Whether you're searching for a specific email or want to compare emails within a specific campaign, there are numerous ways to navigate your Mautic email dashboard. Mautic emails are automatically organized by date, but you can click Name right here to list your emails in ascending or descending order. If you click the Segment/Theme filter button, you can view your emails by different segments such as local agents or local leads, as well as by theme. If you're looking for a specific email, you can type it in or use a keyword in the filter bar. If you encounter any difficulties, click the question mark icon to the left of the search bar. This button opens a list of different search commands that will help you conduct more accurate searches. Once you get the hang of these different Mautic features, you'll be able to navigate your email dashboard with ease. And that's it. Now you know how to navigate the email section of your CRM. For more videos, you can check out the Mautic CRM section of our website at higher-education-marketing.com.